Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make the Google Chrome browser your default browser. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time. Click on Start menu, click on Setting option, click on Apps, uninstall default optional features, and after that you need to click on this option, Default Apps. Okay, select that option, and once you select that, scroll down and look for web browser. Now you can see Microsoft browser is my default browser right now, so I can click on that and click on Google Chrome or other browser which you want to make a default browser. So I want to make a Google Chrome default browser, so I'm selecting the Google Chrome here. Okay, and now you can see the before you switch pop-up, click on switch anyway option. Okay, now you can see the Google Chrome is my default browser now, and the Microsoft browser has been replaced with the Google Chrome. Okay, so this is short video, so hope your issue is fixed now and this video is very helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you, thanks for watching.